3, 2, 1.
What is the state motto of North Carolina? The answer is C, to be rather than to seem. Which capital city is known as the City of Light? The answer is A, Paris. The distance between the crests of electromagnetic waves is called what? The answer is C, wavelength. Which of the following U.S. population groups was least likely to support Roosevelt and the New Deal? The answer is B, upper middle class whites. What is always happy when it rains? The answer is B, umbrella. According to the Smallville series, Superman has the strength of how many men? The answer is D, 10 men. What can lenses be used to make? The answer is C, visual representations. Which is likely to be in a zoo exhibit? The answer is A, an osprey. Which mountain range is known for the Grand Canyon? The answer is C, Appalachians. Rivers and streams can carry sediments long distances before they are deposited. What is formed when sediments are deposited at the mouth of a river? The answer is C, a delta. Referring to the popular fairy tale, what is the name of the Goose Girl's enchanted horse? The answer is D, Falada to speak. In the Aristocats, after a big fight the butler is kicked into a trunk and locked inside. Where is the trunk going to be sent to? The answer is A, Timbuktu. Who was the first person to have his face on a dollar bill? The answer is D, Salmon P. Chase. What is the primary purpose of ABS in vehicles? The answer is C, anti-lock braking system. Who set the record for most tattoos in 24 hours? The answer is D, Keith Bang Bang McCurdy. In which U.S. state is the Bicycle Museum of America located? The answer is D, Ohio. What animal can fly faster than a car? The answer is B, hummingbird. Usually more than 10 million tourists visit 3 of these countries annually. Which is the odd one? The answer is B, Belgium. Which character from the animated series SpongeBob SquarePants spoke the words from the sound clip? The answer is A, Squidward tentacles. Nails cover the tips of what? The answer is B, fingers and toes. The diagnosis of a disease or condition before the baby is born is called. The answer is D, prenatal diagnosis. To keep a pet salamander healthy, what would come in handy? The answer is A, live houseflies. What is formed when each sodium atom donates its single valence electron to a chlorine atom? The answer is D, sodium chloride. Which organ system is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the environment? The answer is D, respiratory. How long did James Brown serve in prison in 1986? The answer is D, 26 months. Who attempts to have a debate with John Cleese in the sketch argument clinic? The answer is C, Michael Palin. The Golgi apparatus works like a mail room by receiving and sending what? The answer is B, proteins. Which theory of learning suggests that behavior is modified by its consequences? The answer is C, social learning theory. Which brand introduced the denim jeans with rivets in 1873? The answer is A, Levi-Strauss & Co. January is during the winter in what location? The answer is C, Caracas. Lance Henriksen played Timothy in BAD Cats and Preston Post in Ryan's Hope. What was his character's name in Millennium? The answer is A, Frank Black. What is the language of flowers called? The answer is B, florography. What is the study of how people think and behave called? The answer is C, psychology. When Bob Gale originally wrote Back to the Future, the time machine was which of the following? The answer is D, refrigerator. What is the official currency of Switzerland? The answer is A, euro. Which fruit is also known as a kiwi fruit? The answer is D, kiwifruit. What actress played Annie Romano's mother on the popular sitcom One Day at a Time? The answer is C, Nanette Fabray. The testes produce what hormone? The answer is D, testosterone. Which country is the largest democracy in the world? The answer is A, India. Tigers are native to what continent? The answer is D, Asia. What is the innermost layer of the sun called? The answer is D, the core. What comedian uttered the following words, "I think if I took therapy, the doctor would quit"? He'd just pick up the couch and walk out of the room. The answer is A, Don Rickles. Which animal lays eggs but is not a bird? The answer is A, platypus. Triploblasts include a broad range of animals, from flatworms to arthropods to what? The answer is B, vertebrates. To get from Tokyo to Osaka on the Shinkansen bullet train, one must pass through which of the following cities? The answer is A, Nagoya. What does liquid change to do to vaporization? The answer is B, gas. What type of organisms are helpless at birth and require lots of help from their parents? The answer is A, altricial organisms. What process is the opposite of nitrogen fixation? The answer is C, denitrification. The language TA letter 2BDIZZ Iadani Arabic belongs to which language family? The answer is A, Afroasiatic. The Grand Canyon is not a mountain, but a part of what mountain range?